Hi, Brendan here with another episode of Coach Gee TV and an invitation for you and your friends to join us for a very important Zoom event. 2020 has been one of the worst years anybody can ever remember. We've had pandemics, we've had lockdowns, we've had people losing their jobs, we've had riots in the streets, you name it, we've had it. One thing though that's been sticking around for years and seems like it's on ultra drive right now is investor fraud. Every year, including this year, the FBI estimates that Americans are losing $40 billion to investor fraud. Insult to injury during 2020. So that's something we want to help you prevent happening from you. Now, you might sit there and you might think, well, I'm too smart. I would never fall for something like that. But here's the reality. People who you would never think would fall for investor frauds have fallen for it. For example, John Elway. Just about every pro football fan knows who this guy is. He was the former quarterback. He is a Hall of Fame quarterback, played for the Denver Broncos. He's a two-time Super Bowl champion. He's an NFL and Super Bowl MVP. If he's not in the Hall of Fame, he's going to be there sooner than later. He's right now the president of the Denver Broncos. He's a graduate of Stanford and successful car dealership owner, so he's done really, really well that way. He's got a net worth of $145 million. Now, he fell for and lost $15 million in a Ponzi scheme. Now, you might sit there and think, well, he's a football player. He's not too bright. Maybe he's been knocked in the head a few times. Well, there's other people who are more on the inside, if you will, have fallen for this. Representative former Congressman Grayson graduated magna cum laude from Harvard, has a bachelor's degree from Harvard, United States Congressman, sat on the committee, the Financial Services Committee, and he's got a net worth of $31 million. If anybody's on the inside, it would be this guy. He lost $18 million in a fraudulent investment scheme. So we don't want this to happen to you, your friends, anybody you know. That's why tomorrow night, Wednesday, October 21st, on Zoom, we're going to do a presentation called Scammed, How Investors Lose $40 billion a Year to Investor Fraud. All you have to do is go on CoachGee.com. We're going to go from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. You'll get the Zoom meeting information to join us. So again, feel free to pass this video along to your friends and family because nobody should ever fall victim to investor fraud. Again, go to CoachGee.com, get the Zoom info, and we'll see you tomorrow night. Bye.